gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì sí àlàáfíà ni mo bá yín ọdẹ odò bí Lagata ni o àti Mr. Yomi Fabiyi wọ́n máa ti scatter ground o wọ́n ti scatter ground lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad. In fact, no going back, no going back. Justice for Mohbad must be done. Gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú sí mi ò kú ní yé bẹ́yìn ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kéde bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ analysis Mr. Yomi Fabiyi àti Lagata on this justice for Mohbad. Ẹ má bá mi ká lọ.
She's a combatist, a fraudster. But somebody got a complaint to me. I said, wow. But she will pay for her crime. She will definitely pay for her crime. This obstruction of justice that she did, and also the day she will be picked up and she will be paid for her crime, I will come back and tell you guys that I don't speak when I'm not ready to post what I say. My word is my bond. I don't do nonsense. No. But when you go out of your way to obstruct serious justice, you have an ass to grade with me. If she's not in court answering so many things, she'll be in prison right now. What do you do that you think I'm doing to say, well, you can be doing all those nonsense you did? She lied. What is all this nonsense? If truly you want to grow and you want to develop this NGO from the scratch with your sweat, with the pain and with the bruises, these are the bruises we are talking about. Can I even know what in so the man you on social media about that? I will continue on my face pattern of that's why I was enduring, not because of anything. I am doing this because of money. Possibly TV. You were the Moraya from the audience. What if TV is here, but also me is doing it because of money. They are doing it for white people. What is all this nonsense? They don't get it on. When they donate to an NGO, it's not me. I only execute. It's the fact what I want to do to contribute my quota. The same thing all I want with a of our I got angry. I hit the table because what me. I'm a frog jump. When I'm fighting, for no offense. For what? But this is the same guy. And they still condone him in the same struggle. So I should go for sick. People like that, how can they be in the same ship of justice with someone like me? When it comes to status and what you have as pedigree, was the same nuisance was messing around, racing around, losing all of his own too. All of us on the party. How else do you want me to be playing? I don't saw you before. You know, you have Surara, me, you can't buy Surara. Come up, Puruko about it. Or don't shoot Puruko at the layer. Me, I will register or what is an insult. And then people sit down and you watch that insult better on me. Just because they are donating to the NGO. expenses sílẹ̀ o. Because you are donating to an NGO because I start with the public and people like this will come and they don't want justice. It will get to a stage you will pay for those crimes when I'm fully ready. Because it's so disgusting and nauseating. The next thing is, stamp. You have to show me where I went to steal stamp. Because you're accusing me of perjury and forgery. You're accusing me of impersonation. Serious crimes. Killing Ombakiri. And some people still condone such people. And to Sumalagi. How do you expect your life to even get better when things like that are made to you? Commissioner, right before the commissioner, when he said Kilaveshi protest will ban him, when he said you trying to gag us, we're going to do it. But no, and he said that. I said, look, stand one of the picture with this, sir. One colleague has back again. It means Timon the face, you know, on the Kikini come. And they assume that these are people that you call justice fighters. Because what is Sheriff that's what they deserve. Kini yato no no yata was Samshodio. Kini yato, what has he done to Yato Samshodio? Because this guy must have destroyed all people behind too. Tony Kefuje. And all of you see some disgusting individuals and they bring them so close. In fact, the power of the one, I'm going to do this, talk about for an actor to come to this route, and I'm going to substance. Good background and good education. You don't know that for me to bring my name to something like this means sacrifice. Because they can stand the test of time. You see such terrible, disgusting people that would effect a reasonable struggle. I said, these people don't even know their rights. They don't even know. This same Supreme justice in the only thing competition about Mission the fact that you like petition, I honor it is because I'm on a different page. I must lead by example. When you're invited by police, you must honor. When they want to arrest you, you must submit yourself for arrest. Don't resist arrest. You don't arrest police violence. And there won't be any brutality. That's why I honor. Because at the end of the day, police station, at this stage, you know, this cinema everything I built, you just want to mess it up when we have a serious case at hand. An innocent boy is still in the morgue. And that's what he just said, and we have a full information because they see that she's too bitter for a justice seeker. Let in case of I know how many times to my broke that. When my fans were trying to support and saw my movie, sell sort of rubbish. Most of me, let me imagine if come. Unto my Jebubonishi get Kolo, Toba total Yellow, which is better to do them. Respect. If you want to support what we're doing as an NGO, if there is, I'm not doing NGO, but because I know you cannot do this fight without a structured body. The structured body. Ìyá tó ṣe máa ń kò ní kó ṣe human rights NGO lónìí. Àwọn obìnrin ló kó kiri pẹ̀lú kiri kan PKS. It's not a human rights organization. Tí ojú tó bá dojú àgbàmì tí wàhálà yẹn bá dé stage kan, tó bá máa mí wò lásán wá ní so you don't even have the right to do it. Kẹ́mi tó lè máa fi ra mi lẹ̀ pé mo fẹ́ kí ìwù mí yẹn kó tiẹ̀ ṣe mistake sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ tiẹ̀ petition àbí kó tiẹ̀ wọ́ mi kó á jọ fojú kojú. Kó lè máa passionate I am to get the truth and justice in this case. Then you will know the difference. I am not a rabble rouser. I am not here for all those things you think I am for. Kí ẹ máa wò pé owó mu wá. Ṣé mo wó tí mo need to the kind of money I need is not the kind of money that we will be using to pursue a case. Àti ìròjú tó ẹ̀. Pursue a case àti ìròjú tó ẹ̀. Ní ilé ìjọ ọlá mi, if people are going to give support to the NGO for it to achieve the results so that we can expand and build, the way you're calling our massive equity. You see the old like boy, Kini was only about the 1980 something. I mean, Kini was only about a problem like Jory. I told my mother, "Long point one way." I don't know. I the grandfather of the Canada. Ìkìlọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan pé wúrà ẹ̀ kò ní rí. A máa ṣe kìíní fisikálì nínú ọkọ̀ yọjú. Bóyá ó kẹtọ ni, bóyá ó ní kéèlè gidi, bóyá mú ẹ̀sùn pọ̀ ní nínú wọn. Bóyá ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wọn adẹ́rùbẹ̀ tó pa Mohbad nínú wọn. But they will tell you what they will condemn whoever is in it. Iṣẹ́ tó sọmọ́ mi sọ́wọ́ sọmọ́ mi lọ fún mi pé báwo ṣe fẹ́ lọ sà orúkọ tẹ́ máa pè lélẹ̀ okay a tún fi àkọlé sí lẹ́yìn tó sọmọ́ mi lọ tó tún máa fún mi lẹ́bọ́ọ̀lù mo fi gbogbo iṣẹ́ yẹn lẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ á fi lọ̀kúlọ̀ 600,000 kìíní kan tún béèrè pé ráìsì ìwé wúmà yẹn téyẹ̀ tó ní téyẹ̀ pé ẹ̀wé fún ló yọ jẹ wọ́n ní ráìsì ọgbẹ́ ráìsì òyà bí àwọn ọmọ tó gbé ráìsì lọ wá ìlú yẹn kí ráìsì sísè tí mi ò fojú mi kàn èmi ni màá tó máa lé ráìsì di protest wọ́n ní kí o bó kí mo kóra mi sí ọ̀nà lórí ṣọ́ọ̀bù ìwọ mú iye ìgbà tí mo fi jẹ́ pé mo ti ṣe 6 months at a stretch tí mo fojú lóbò báyìí báyìí ṣe cousin Jésù 6 months plus gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀nà ìkúdè tí wọ́n ṣe kó wọ́n bá ṣe justice rí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ agbádùn yìí sáré wọlé gba control everybody mo rí as suspect wọ́n fẹ́ bá tèmi jẹ́ èyí ni wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbádùn ẹ̀ lápẹ́pẹ́ bàbá kan ń bọ́ mọ́mí in the Lord èmi ni wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo sá ń jẹ ìyá wọn nítorí owó torí owó ni màá ṣe wá sá fún bò ó ní oṣù 6. Torí owó ẹ̀rọ ọdún tó ti sọ pé mo fẹ́ kí bọ́ọ̀sì ìjọ àwọn ìgbòkò yìí pé màá bọ̀ jẹ́ ká jọ ríra òun ló wà mí kí bọ́ọ̀sì mo pè é ní pé já ọjọ́ wà lọ́tẹ̀lì báyìí mo ṣe torí akákọ̀ọ́ mọ̀ sọ pé kó má lọ jẹ́ pápẹ́ wọn lè kú dé tí ó bá ṣe justice ní charity wọn ní ti takùn sí lọ́rùn pé àfihàn lẹ̀ já ọjọ́ àwọn bó ṣe lọ ẹni Jésù pàdé Màríà kí Màríà pàdé Jésù.
Baby, oh, they joke. Kid boss, John now. Oh, me, oh, they joke.
I saw people go struggle.
Ẹ bá kasi tó bá kasi kí bọ́ọ̀sì kí ló bá dì inú ẹ̀ ọkùnrin kọ́ ni obìnrin kọ́ ni kí bọ́ọ̀sì kí ló bá yé.
À ń sọ pé gbogbo ìta sọ ẹgbà yẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀ òkú le.
Àbí kẹ́ fún ayé lẹ́nu. Kò sí kò bá ọkọ̀ jẹ́ tẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbọ́ra yín tó.
Ó ti lè padà débẹ̀ náà bọ̀.
Òkè bá sọ kú tì má rí so single man the single daddy dẹ̀ ni.
Bàbá dágbé ìyá yọ wá. Ìdébè tí wọ́n
kò káyé. Àwọn
náà sọ pé gbogbo táìmù yẹn ṣẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ tì tó ti sọ ní ti pé Yọ̀bí ti fẹ́ o. Ó ti kí nìkan èèyàn kúkú pè. Mi ìjẹ́ sọ pé bá gbé àríra ṣe bóyá gbé gbogbo lẹ́bù kọ̀ ọmọ yẹn dábàá báyìí pé ṣé bọ́bọ́ yìí ti Yomi àbí ṣé ó wà òkè ṣàṣẹ nǹkan lè bẹ̀. ó ní kí ló bá mi pò náà ṣé ní ẹni tẹ́sí àkókò mú òṣèré ni.
Àkànní
mi.
Àkànní mi.
ẹ bá ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Àkànní mi.
gbogbo ìyá ti pọ̀ jù fún yọ̀kọ̀ náà. ìyá ti pọ̀ jù nínú ẹ̀ náà lọ sàṣì ní àwọn yàgbá di bàbá mi wọ́n sá burúkú gbìrìgìrì ẹ̀bọ gbìrìgìrì ògùn ẹ̀mí ti bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ́ o lásìlẹ̀tì kọ́ bá ẹ̀sìpádà
àwọn náà lọ máa forí ara wọn gbé
ẹ̀sìpádà ló wà bí mọ́mí ṣayọ̀ àṣàní first time tí màá ẹ̀sìpádà máa ríra inú ásílẹ̀tì ló ti wá gbé mi nínú òyìnbó pẹ̀lú ẹ̀mí àtọwọ́ mi àwọn ọlọ́wà bí tí wọ́n parọ́ wọn mo sẹ́ni fídíò ẹ̀ sí mo jọ́ lóluwa inú accident lẹ́sìpádà tí wọ́n kọ́ ní mi ní ayé ẹ̀ báyìí èmi àtọmọ mi ni ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá mi lẹ̀ lórí kí sáré fún wa ní bet ṣé bàbá yà mo fling inú ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ọlọ́run wọn ní kí ló ṣe tẹ̀ bíríkì wọ́n kọ́ sọ fún wọn tẹ̀ ọlọ́run àmà forí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ pì mélòó yà fẹ́ kà
Naked people.
mélòó yà fẹ́ kà ṣé orí owó ni wọ́n máa ṣiṣẹ́ gbó yẹn àbí kí ìlú da káyé bọ́ọ̀lì safe gbogbo lọ́rọ̀ táwọn ilé ìṣúná fi pa ọgbọ́n ẹ̀dá mi wọ́n ṣe kí nǹkan tó mú orúkọ ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé kiri sórí ẹ̀yẹ kọ́sítọ̀pù láàrin gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ́. The reason why we are fighting all this is because I'm still from domestic violence and whether ẹ̀ ṣe kọ́tẹ̀ gbogbo kiri kan ẹ̀jẹ̀ apá tọ́ba tí mo gbé dúró ní fọwọ́ gbà wọ́n á change òfin wọn. ìwọ ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá ti ṣe ikú ni kiri nílùú wo ọmọ ọ̀tá lè fẹ́ máa pápá wèrè. Tẹ́lá ń ṣe náà ẹgbẹ́ yẹn you must use it to help yourself build yourself not to be taking each other's life to that nonsense must stop. ṣé mo máa tún wọ̀ jà fún mi the fact I'm fighting for something it must stop tọ́ba ní pé kìnní yóò wọ́ọ̀kì mọ́ o. At the end of the day they will come after everybody. Then we have to change abolish this law they must abolish it. Abolish the nonsense. Stop it. So now we can, anyone, at the end of the day, all of it is to their advantage. Any of it are support the body school in Nigeria. Because your job come like a prison and then they start forming caucus and attacking each other. I know what I'm a father. I'm an institution in this country. I have worked hard. Mo ṣe fíìmù àfi ń ṣe promote the image of the country. Tí gbogbo àwọn tó wà láyé mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ìṣe lélẹ̀. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ Yẹ̀sálé lórúkọ. Wọ́n rí pé mo jẹ̀yà, mo build am patient. Wọ́n fi sùúrù tọ́ mi. None of those people tó bọ́ mi àṣẹ táwọn ẹgbẹ́ ilé ìkọ́ sí àwọn orúkọ yìí. Mi ò ṣe reality show star. Mo ṣe orúkọ olóṣù méjì olóṣù. No, I built the country invested in me. Àwọn fans wọn náwó lé mi lórí títí tí mo fi ń dàgbà tí mo fi débi tí mo dé. Ó lè wọ́n pé kò gbà sí máṣẹ́ ìdí pé give back to the public. Ẹ fẹ́ sọ lóògùn. Ẹ wọ́n ṣe sọ mí dídàkudà ìwọ olùkẹ́ ẹ̀ sìn. Ẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé ta ni wúrà ẹ̀ sìn ó ti wọ́n dànù. Ẹ̀rí àwọn ọkọ̀ máa jókòó sọ́dọ̀ pàpàrà ló bẹ́ẹ̀ a kò máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni yà sí yàn. Àwọn kò ṣe ẹbí náà ló ṣe pa mí tó iná. Owó náà mo ṣe wá. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ti wá owó ó yẹ kí n ti kọ́ estate sílẹ̀ kí náà. The account of the NGO is easy for anybody to eliminate money on the access bank. Don't they love you? You would have seen everything and said, why would you even tormenting this guy? Mi ò tún jẹ́ pé ẹgbẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lásán kó kéré jù pẹ̀lú ibi tẹ́mi ṣiṣẹ́ lọ. Ẹ máa wọ́n bí 150 million lẹ́ẹ̀kí tó lè fún bókì fẹ́ gbé la. Because the other side, corona nìkan lọ́kọ́ jókòó sí, ẹ bá bá a lọ́ máa lọ́jọ́ corona. Wọ́n lọ sí hospital kankan, wọ́n lọ ní CCTV, wọ́n lọ sí lólè Mohbad, wọ́n lọ bọ́lá pàṣẹ́lẹ́tì, wọ́n wọ evidence kankan, wọ́n sọ fún witness kankan. Èmi mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe wàhálà from year to CCTV for protest yẹn. Ẹ sọ protest bàbá Mohbad ṣe. Ẹ sọ protest tó ṣe. Gbogbo TV station àtàwọn àwọn tó ń bá wọn sanwó bẹ̀. Bàbá yẹn kò ní yọ kọ́bọ̀. Tolórí kórìí yẹn lọ pẹ̀lú fame. Wọ́n máa ní òsì celebrity. Bàbá Mohbad àti ewé ni ṣé tálẹ́ǹtì nìyẹn ẹ fi sọ pé lórúkọ jù mí lọ ṣé ẹ bá kọ mí yẹn ẹ máa lórúkọ ẹ kọ pátápátá àti ewé ni wọ́n sọ kọ́sọ díẹ̀ kọ́ dákẹ́ tọ́wọ́n ti ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ tẹ́tẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀
gbẹnu dákẹ́.
ẹ kẹ́sẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kọrin ẹ tún ní kọ́sọ díẹ̀ kọrin díẹ̀ mẹ́tọ̀ ṣẹ́yìn náà fẹ́ kọrin díẹ̀ kẹ́ dákẹ́ ni ẹ jẹ́ fún ìpánẹ́lẹ́sì láyé láti ju yàrá gàrí you can have the floor keyboards ẹ á ti sún keyboards méjì wáyé.
Seriously, ẹ má pa mí náà. Ṣé fẹ́ pa mí ni? Good evening, everyone. Lórí Yomi Fabi, ó dáná. Ẹ wo pé àwọn bébí mi àyà ó bá keyboard ti fa gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé ẹ. Keyboard ti fa gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé ẹ. Ọmọ Fabi gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé ẹ, wá ṣayá wa lẹ́nu.
Lagata, báwo ẹ ṣe question?
Ẹ jọ ṣé mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ kọ́kọ́ kálẹ̀ o everybody. Good morning, good weekend, good everything, good justice, good Abuja.
According to your time.
In the side, good honorable in the cell. You know what? There's something I just want to call your attention to, you know. Let me tell you something. Everybody to involved, you know, the death of that guy, Mohbad. One lonely agents on the social media.
Hey, wait.
Social media. But on the platform.
Exactly. Yes,
So, you have to sensitive at this stage. Because the point is, list your go to one legally. One to go to charge. One to go to deep below. By the time people go to my level, yeah, Emma Shijaja, no social media, and me, my Facebook. So you have to be very careful the platform you go to, the people you talk to, either behind the scene or on TikTok or Instagram or wherever. They have agents. I went to get general advice. Some of them are blogging.
General advice, I mean, so
general advice.
Yeah, that's right.
They will be coming to you, try to change your mind, try to discourage you, try to say a lot of stuff, you know. You just have to be careful. Anytime I'm time law, and I'm saying discover with you. Because by the time about my stage that way, we go to when you my jáde, one of us think pẹ̀lú wọn, I don't reach different narratives. So come back along, but I need to come on my jaja. It actually make sense, you know. So that make jacket more content, she can more look at it. Jama come on jaja, you make that in one by, and I was in it. And I'm talking belongs to you. But otherwise, we're about to need get in social media. And they are spending bastard money. They are spending money. Say anymore. Directly. One shaking them, one line, just justice. They just want to cover their shit. That's what they're there. Don't want to be concerning. So when you are making your submission, when you are taking notice around, so Emily, Mobeshma, just Charayi, am I going to come back to be nice or be on fair? So we just have to be very careful so that Ali get justice here as soon as possible. We will not have to pay the kidney. So can you go there, you know, and move to something else. God bless you.
yes, so thank you so much.
At this stage, very careful of Patakupa. Yomi, you have to be careful of Patakupa. Yomi, what baby you are?
Ọmọ lẹ́ṣà ni kidboss ò gbàbọ̀dé.
Odò òdì. Mr. Tayo bí ìmúra lóko àgbà. Ẹ wo sí Prince, mo kí yín lẹ́yìn pẹ̀lú tẹ̀sán, mo jálu platform kan lánàá tí Tèmi ọ̀tí mi. I don't know, if it's a Tèmi ọmọ ológun àbí nǹkan ni. So I was listening to them and at some point, mo wá ní láti sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́n kọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó wà nínú ilé yẹn, they are suspect. Tẹ bá rí bọ́n ṣe wá fún mi, Oh my word. They all focus. But luckily, I have honestly, I have their word. I just tell them, let it be unto you. Anything that is on it, let it go back to you according to your wishes. Because these people, one, Lord, Cherry Ika only fi ìwà ìkà sílẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣe pẹ̀lú wọ́n máa já mi gan ni wọ́n já mi wọ́n wò mí tí mò ń wò wọ́n lọ́dọ̀. Cherry ìkà ò ní fi iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ohun tí tó bá tẹ́ mo dẹ̀ ti sọ fún wọn gbogbo wọn ló máa tẹ́ everybody tó bá lọ́wọ́ nínú ikú Mohbad gbogbo wọn láṣìírí ọṣírí wọn ò ní bò Ọlọ́run á tú wọn láṣìírí kò sí ṣé bí Yorùbá náà ló sọ ó ní bí rọ́bà lọ lógún ọdún ó ní ọjọ́ kan báyìí òótọ́ máa lékè tó gbogbo nǹkan tó ń rò páwọn ń bọ̀ àbí tó ń rò páwọn lágbára tí wọ́n ń ṣe in fact mo sì fi ẹ̀mí gan sì sọ sí mi ní alẹ́ àná èmi àti dọ́tà mi lájọ jókòó síbi mo kàn mí mọ bí tí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fèdè yẹn pọ̀ tí mo ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ sí bí àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sínú ayé gbogbo àwọn tó ń wá justice lótìtọ́ àti lótìtọ́.
madam ìyáàfin mọ tó ń bá ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́sìn ṣàbí sọ very long time bá ti sọ pé alágbára báyìí kí ni kan báyìí kọ́tọ́ lọ́jọ́ méjì wọ́n ti ní is dead on arrival wọ́n wá rí pé instead of dead on arrival jálẹ̀ bá ní ara lè wọ́n máa di sílé tọ̀bọ̀ rè.
in fact bá ṣe pé ilẹ̀ wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ justice yẹn wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ti rẹ́dí àti ṣe é kúrò.
torí pé òun náà bá jẹ́ pé majority àwọn èèyàn wa wọn ti really wọ́n sì wà some of them are still weak mentally. nígbà tẹ́lẹ̀ ọjọ́ kan ọjọ́ méjì ṣèbí ìdáwọ́ náà la mú pẹ̀lú àdúrà àti bàbá Mohbad débẹ̀ ìjọ tó débẹ̀ lọ release wọn mo wá retí kọ́ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn bàbá tí wọ́n dànù kò yẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ aṣọ́ra lọ bàbá lọ́dẹ̀ tí wà Ghana. At the end of the day gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe gbà yẹn
bàbá ti yá sí Ghana.
ṣe ìjọba mú kékeré pẹ̀lú wọn ni they cannot even try the same thing gbogbo àwọn tó ti lò tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé wàhálà ti ń bọ̀ bí tọ́rọ̀ dé dúró one step to àwọn tó máa finish life because the real and even the foreign secret agents even on top because they have to know all these people and they have to go after all of them. kò sí yẹn so let's say gbogbo àti gbogbo wàhálà ti dé o so lábẹ́ bó ti lè wò kórì wọ́n ti ń jẹ́ tóbi okòkò àwọn ti rí reality ẹ̀ wá ní gbogbo yẹn sí ẹtí wà lọ gbogbo lọ ohun tó di pé wọ́n fi lè tọ́ àbá ní nǹkan ṣe wọ́n á máa process yàn àwọn tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ohun tí that terrible woman tó kó èmi lé lórí tó lè mi gba ọba you have to bring the money on competition láì ṣe tó ẹjọ kí ni gbogbo rọ́ọ̀dà bàdá yìí máa ṣe àlùlù wàhálà lọ kó àwọn ẹ̀mẹ́ta bẹ́ẹ̀ owó extension ìbáni fẹ́ kó jẹ ẹ kọ wo àwọn ìpín tí mo ti gbà ẹ wá wàhálà tó kọ́ bá mi pẹ̀lú bàbá yẹn mo tún dèrò Àbújá mo tún lọ sùn lẹ́lẹ̀ nísìnyí èmi náà mo tún rú yẹn lọ ẹ wo wàhálà tí mo ti ṣe lọ ẹ péye emergency ni o next available ticket dey come àgbàrá láìpẹ́ another step will happen shortly oye kọ́ mo sọ èmi ni kọ́kọ́ mo dá ṣe o I have people that are supporting but kókó bẹ̀ ní pé èyí á máa ṣe owó yẹn ẹ máa lọ kí a máa sọ pé mo á mú owó kan kí ni fẹ́ máa fi ṣerú ẹ̀ nígbà tí máa jọba ní pé mo fẹ́ join body mo gbọ́dọ̀ tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí Àbújá yẹn expander rẹ̀ bí Professor Kofi Edeleni ó ní láti gbé gbogbo system ẹ̀ jáde abẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wá tí mo gbọ́dọ̀ wà ní ìsìnkiri ẹ̀ because priority list àwọn àti ọkọ̀ ṣe ti tọ̀nà sí wọn before to get friends ebi nìkan ló kù owó ò pé mọ́ that man said Mr. Alabi don't worry I will make sure at least I will forfeit 200,000 in Okonga and he started doing it abẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi card exchange card kàṣàlẹ̀ lẹ́fìrí tí mo dá Àbújá ẹ̀ kò ṣe bóyá mo lówó extra kò sówó tí máa fi sún bí tí máa sùn èyàn mẹ́ta fẹ́ sọ fún tẹ́sí tí mo tẹ̀lé wọn náà yẹn kò sí àtàkùnmá aláàdì yẹn ní owó òtẹ́ẹ̀lì tí máa wà á kó wàá dúkọ lórí ìdán mílíọ̀nù mi owó ló wá wá màmá ẹjọ́ èèyàn kan máa pè mí lọ sí Àbújá o ò ní fún mi ní owó tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì o ò ní fún mi ní owó kẹ́rù ti wà lápò mi màá kọ́ dédé máa lọ ẹjọ́ family member mi wọlé rẹ̀ wọ́n lè pè mí pé kí n máa bọ̀ lábújá tí o sì pé wọ́n fún owó lọ́wọ́ káàbọ̀ àkọ́ agbẹ́bí airport tí máa lè lọ ẹ̀kọ́ wo bí tí mo bá láì fi dé ẹ̀kọ́ wo family yìí tó lè pè irú ẹ̀ but because this is about Nigeria this is about justice mi ìrò pé níbo ni mo fẹ́ sùn because at the end of the day mo ṣe ṣáájú owó ta fi gbé mọ́tò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ dé bẹ̀rẹ̀ gan ṣàrùnlá wọ́n wá ẹgbẹ́ wọ́n lọ mo fẹ́ sùn iwájú bí mo wò pé mo lè lọ sùn ṣáà wá alákàkiri ọwọ́ tó pè mí ọwọ́ yẹn kọ̀ ṣe mo ní ẹ ṣáà dúró mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pè àwọn èèyàn ní ẹ ọ̀bọ̀ kábà tó gbé mi lẹ́yìn ọ̀bẹ ẹ̀gbọ́n mo fọ́ fún yín o ibẹ̀ ni mo tún wá rí owó tí mo fi ra òkúta ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì méjì tí mo ṣe wọ̀tẹ́ ní gbogbo ìsọ̀kú fáìlì mi 5,000 naira méjì torí ìgbà tó bá fi lówó inú hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì mo ní ẹ ṣáà fi yàrá lẹ̀ kò sówó ẹ ṣáà di àjọ dúró báyìí ẹ má ti fi mílẹ̀ kí sísè àlẹ́ rẹ̀ lè dá padà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kí tẹ̀sí máa lọ sùn ọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀ rẹ̀ ni mi ò ṣeré o mi ò ṣe actor tó fake o ní ìlú hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì yìí o ọmọ àṣẹ́ǹdẹ̀ tí máa rí tó bá ṣẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ èyí wọ́n lè fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ̀mí lè múlá tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì márùn. So what are we talking about? And somebody will sit somewhere and condemn me.
I need the book explanation here, to be honest. You are doing. I know. Our people are. I don't know if those
are the sacrifices.
Sherry, by me, Teban analyze everything. I think the Nigerians themselves, everybody here come on, continue, investigation or anything of such. To what? Sherry, gbogbo àwọn tó kàn wá lórí social media, ó kàn ṣe pé kọ́lọ̀ ń dáríjì ni ìwà ìbàjẹ́ ó ti pọ̀ jù lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Àwọn èèyàn wọn value life ara wọn. Blasphemy, ìwà àìbìkítà ó kàn ti pọ̀ jù. So rate tó dẹ̀ fi ń bá life wọn lọ nìyẹn. Sherry báyìí ṣe dé with NGO tẹ ní ẹ fẹ́ try láti make things straight. Òun ló fà á tí gbogbo ń wò pé who is Yomi of all people tó fi ṣe pé bí ọ̀rọ̀ títí ẹ̀ láyé máa gbọ́ ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀rí bọ́n bá fẹ́ bọ́n bá kọ̀ èèyàn kan náà lọ́lọ́run máa lò tó máa mú ọ̀nà Nàìjíríà tó wọ́n fẹ́ bọ́ kọ̀ báyé fẹ́ bó kọ̀ èèyàn kan náà máa lò so that is it. Thank you.
Yes, so Woki Bobulu, Akara Casa Kaleo, depends where you are streaming from. Right, Mr. Yomi, that period, Toro Biodulawa Shele, right? So, it was not Muiwa that introduced her to you. No? Okay. It makes a lot of sense. All right. Because that period, Muiwa come and talk with there was a lady in it.
Future Love Tots and easy to make.
Period. Muiwa come and talk with there was a lady in it. Because who the lady was. Because Muiwa introduced the lady as Sibuki Jesse. And the lady also was introduced to the barrister there. So you get
1 minute. It was Bossman that introduced that lady to Muiwa.
Okay.
In the full forensic that was done, Shewa realized it is that Biodun Lawal who look pressure from King White.
Yes, now because got me more by any pay. Got if to come out, and this is the reason why I walk away from Baba Mohbad and Muiwa. Because that day he was on Tenemo Logos platform and you were playing a voice note, right? And when you were playing that voice note, he came up quickly and said that you were demanding for money from the family. So the voice note you now played now clarified that you were not asking for money. As a matter of fact, it was Muiwa that was trying to say that go and get a lawyer I will pay for it, that I'm insisting, that I'm the one asking, not you. You understand? And when Bio came, that period, he went up there to go and do damage control. And immediately I received a phone call that she come to Tenemologo. And when I got to Tenemologo, you were already playing that voice note. So I went to Muiwa and I said, look, what happened about this woman details that was sent to her and this and that. He didn't want to answer it. So I was pressurizing him, like, you need to explain to me what is happening. And that is why he did not even mention that name. He just said one Mr. Sheyi. And he said there were lawyers that were going to that place to meet that lady. They weren't lawyer and they were not police officer. So it was this building lover. So he now confirmed to me, he confessed to me that it was not anybody, that it was a mistake, that they were not meant to send that into that lady that day. So if they had not made that mistake, you wouldn't even have known what is going on. So when he now came to Oloriebi's platform,
the same thing that I said before, Bukky Jesse,
that was why I came up to say, Muyiwa, this is what you told me, that they look for the woman's details and that you were lying. But not forgetting that they already said that the lady's NIN was registered to Akoka, or she lives in Lekki. So because the details they look for brought out the lady's name and the lady's previous address where the NIN was registered. So when he now told me that, and I'm like, okay, if somebody wants to help you get, a neighbor wants to help you get CCTV, why are you now then looking into their personal details? Imagine me wanting to meet somebody and they are sending me my full name, my date of birth, and my address, my previous address. There's no way I will feel comfortable dealing with that person again. I'm thinking, like, why are you digging out my details? Like, for what purpose?
He even threatened me with it. I have it added to the police. I said, who owns this information and what is it for? Only you are about to find out.
So when I now asked him, and he now confirmed that to me, and that was when I think, like, this man, and I started looking into him himself. He had a Facebook account. He has never posted justice for Mohbad. He was not even used some of the GoFundMe money to go and open a business, digital business in America, because he lost his job. You understand? He has not. I think he's only like 4 years in United States of America. Yeah, Bamuyiwa. He's not really established yet. So you understand? So, and when all this was going on, like, he told me, he confirmed, and I think I spoke to you that day, and I came on Oloriebi's platform as well to say that if anybody needs to apologize to anybody, it was the day they were calling him to come off that live show. They were saying Oloriebi's platform is illiterate platform. That Bukky called Muyiwa, and all those Pork Daddy and Bayo, they were asking Muyiwa to leave that platform. It was the day he came there, you were there as well, and you were saying that you were going to send some information to Oloriebi, right? And it was a video of the house that looks like Mohbad's house gone, because he sent it to me. So now, when Muyiwa said that, why would they now find out the lady's details? For what purpose? When they could have just asked the lady to help them and go and look at the CCTV. So then,
I volunteered.
Wow.
You understand?
I just believe it.
Another thing, I was just doing it innocently there. If it was a life, I will tell you guys tonight. Going back me. This stage were together. That's every side of me. I want them to even deeply. They are dangerous. You need to keep records of things you still do there. Because here, they will call it right. Oh, really? And I began taking record of our vital discussion. If not, destroyed
attention to it when we had about an hour 40-minute conversation when I was in America, when we spoke for long. Evidence now without if this TikTok, if evidence no day, even evidence they go, they water am down. I can say, behind every successful man,
you are a woman. Ìyàwó náà dé ọkọ.
Bàbá ìyàwó lè mi jẹ. So bàbá ìyàwó lè mi jẹ It was not as old as I
You've arrived at your destination.
So, I find out that this Biodun Lawal has been working with Kuresi, Muyiwa, and Bukky Jesse. Like, and I think I was off TikTok for a month because I had to go to America. I was off, so I didn't really know what was happening because mom was sick and all of that. But I discovered it was the same Biodun Lawal that has been speaking to Bukky Jesse. And they knew what they did. They play game. Bukky lied now. She said she has never spoken to me ever in her life, this and that. And then she was just there. And Muyiwa no man for any information on them at drag. So all that period you have been dragged. It was Muyiwa that was playing that divide and rule game. You understand? It was Muyiwa. So it was just so strange the way everything just started. Like, came back and I was hearing this, that I wasn't sure. But the voice note you played on Madam Tenya Moluko exposed everything. And that was just an eye-opener for you. It was an eye-opener. So I don't have it then. Also, when you played it, it was an eye-opener. Say, you now make a lot of sense. That was why Muyiwa was able to say, can I confide in you? And I said, what is it? Just tell me the truth and let's know what to do. And he said he was the one that they were meant to send that details to him. But they were trying to get hold of him. They couldn't get hold of him. And the guy made mistake by sending it to the lady. He said it. And I came out on Olerebi to say it when he was there. And he didn't deny it. Instead, they asked him to drop. They asked him to drop. So it now makes sense. But when you tell one be budget, then drop again that justice Irugamaro not be like borrow long or long my being or my being seen if a logo along. To the people form of the deep. Let's pick a marriage justice for my body, or my money crude enough one. Because it's absolutely crazy. And since then I didn't regret having to walk away from them because so many things we are not on ground. I've never seen Baba Mohbad in my life. I've never seen Muyiwa Ogunlesi in my life. Everything I've done was just out of pure. Yeah, I've been to Nigeria a couple times. I haven't been to Ikorodu when I went to they even said me and you will saw. I've never even seen you in my whole life. I never, but this is the part of the lie, and that was said on the radio station, no? That they have one secret about me and you. So me, I know that I've never met you before. I've not like set my eyes like one-on-one like this. Even time you have been in London, but it is what it is. So many things have been said on social media that are not true, you know. So I don't know reason why they're doing that. But like I said, if I don't trust you, if you call me, I'm gonna record you. I don't care who you are. So if you know you're coming with two-face, you're coming, your conscience is not clear. This spirit bad stuff make me don't bear or you. My trust there, my shy see recording. It's better you don't call me at all. Keep your shenanigans to yourself. Yeah, it's true. You understand? And they know what they're doing. They'll go and open fake account, be messaging up and down. Like attacking the call, they will be coming with different sheets every single day.
Police will come and kill the police. But look at what I got long. Money, oh, my justice. Kill our badesi. Share, I will not read the Patapato to others. Anthony, Tom, whether I like Oko, on Salo, on the bell, oh, my shop away. Am I the right now? I'm not catching. Of your kid, but maybe you dear Mr. Yomi.
About
that, the 3 seconds. The 3-second video as well about Zomo and all of that, you know, and it makes a lot of sense, and that's why even when you came to my platform, they're trying to twist your word. Up until now, about a few minutes ago, they are still saying the same thing. Come and show your face before one can even listen to you. Oh no, they said that you said Baba was inside the house when Mohbad died, and that's not what you said anyway. But we know the truth. We know what they're trying to do. All these people that has no face. And in country, so that Baba, coffee video leg, coffee television. They should talk about the shots. And the yeah, that's the conventional state. That's it, because you know, and what now play the game? Look at the circle of the people that were involved in that game. Yeah, the same kind of people. Now they now went to bring out this lady, Just Me, and Dre Nation to come and bring Zomo. Zomo fly out the next day to come and debunk that fight wasn't between him and Mohbad, that it was Wunmi and Mohbad. You understand? And he came out to start debunking. And Baba Mohbad came out as well, midnight, on Bukky Jese's platform. So it was not all making sense anymore. And now look at between the 5 people there, Mohbad Ikolotiku, the rest of the 4. Anyway, I don't think it's time to say that. Don't let me. The rest of the 4. Don't say what you have to say. The rest of the 4. Hold on. The rest of the 4 people confirmed that a video exists, and they are saying it's a long time video. Okay, if it's a long time video, okay, we agree it's a long time video. Let's see the remaining, 9 minutes, 30 seconds. But don't be honest. That guy is saying now that, okay, I deleted it. It's nothing to do with the shots. And there is nothing terrible in it. And to collaborate with what you are saying, on the press conference day, Adura also confirmed that the remaining video is on his phone. And he never even said that it had nothing to do with what by Mohbad. He was confirming that the remaining one, is on his phone. You understand? He said he has it. So how do we now go from there that all the team you come for Baba are come for you now started to cause people that are talking about the 3-second video?
Yeah, gbogbo ibi tó ń wò mí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu Mr. Yomi Fabiyi pẹ̀lú Lagata yẹn. Ẹ fi ìrọ́pọ̀ yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section kẹ́dẹ̀ bá mi subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV. Mo tún padà bọ̀, information ṣì pọ̀ o, mo tún padà bọ̀. Ire o.